Hey guys, Tech Mentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, I want to show you how to turn off or restart your iPhone 15 in a few different ways on the latest iOS version. So let's get started. Now, the simple and the easiest way to turn off your iPhone 15 is locating either the volume up or volume down button. We can use any of these buttons and then the side button. So we're going to press and hold the volume up and then the side button at the same time for about 3 to 5 seconds. So I press and hold those together, and then the phone will open up this menu which you can slide to power off or turn off your iPhone. Now, a second method involves by going into your setting of your iPhone and then going to general and then scrolling all the way down to shutdown. If you click on that, it will also pop up with a menu to slide to power off or to turn off. Now, a third method, if you don't want to use the first two, is simply using Hey Siri, or by simply pressing and holding this button to activate Siri. And then once you activate Siri, simply issue the command, Hey Siri, power down.
Just to confirm, you want to power off this device?
Yes. And as you can see, the Siri can also turn off your iPhone just like that. Now, once you see the black screen, give it about 15 to 20 seconds for the phone to completely turn off. And once the phone completely turned off or shut down, we can press this side button until we see the Apple logo to restart it. So press and hold that side button just like that. And then once you see the Apple logo, we let go of it. Now, if for some reason it's not turning on and you're pressing and holding that side button, another method is by plugging it into your charger. When the phone is turned off and it's plugged into a charger, it automatically knows to turn back on. So go ahead and charge it up and it will automatically turn on, and you should be back to your phone doing now a turn off and a restart. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.